Hey folks, Darron from Ziebart Rhino Linings. So I stopped into one of our locations today and I found a real gem in one of our stores today. We got a Shelby GT500 in here. We're finishing some window tint on it. So we talk about the way a vehicle looks when we get window tint put on it. It always looks better. We actually use a plotting system that we actually have all of the measurements pre-done, and then we use this system. We cut the film, we lay the film out, and I want to show you now what it looks like when we're putting them on. So we're prepping the windows. They're going to be prepping that window to get it clean, make sure this film is ready to go. We're going to show part two here in just a minute as he's applying it. So hey folks, we're back. Our technician actually has the film on. What he's doing now is setting the film so that it's going to be as close to the edge as it possibly can be. We're going to start squeegeeing here in just a moment. What that's going to do is start getting the moisture out so that film is going to dry properly, giving that car that gorgeous look that we're looking for. There he goes. So we go through this process on every single window. Doesn't matter what window on the car it is. If you've never had your vehicle tinted by Ziebart, stop in one of our locations or check us out at Ziebart.com.